Hi boys and girls, today we are going to practice reading and writing using our decodable books. And today we're going to start with our first one that we read a couple weeks ago. And this book is called A Book of Animals. And so I'm going to first open the book and we're going to find all the mystery words that we need to know to read it. So, I see the mystery word I and see and the. So I'm going to write that down on our board. I see and the. If you have the book at home with you, you can take your book and you can take a yellow crayon and you can circle those mystery words. I see and the. And on this page, I see the. Next page, I see the. I see the. Again, I see and the. I see the. Ooh, and we have another one that's new here. It's the word and. And the parrot. Let's add and to our mystery word list. Let's read all these mystery words together. Ready? I see the and. Now your turn to read it all by yourself. I'm going to point at the word and then you read it. Let's see if you got it right. I see the and. All right, well, ready to read the book together. If you have the book at home, you can read with me or you can just follow along. A Book of Animals. A Book of Animals. I see the bear. I see the alligator. I see the dog. I see the elephant. I see the jellyfish. I see the goose and the parrot. Good job. Now I'm going to turn the pages so you can read all by yourself. Ready? Your turn to read. Good job reading. Now it's time to use the mystery words we just practiced reading to do some writing. If you have the book with you, you can get a pencil or crayon or pen and practice writing the words in the back of the book. Ready? I. Next line. See. Next line. The. And. Good job. If you don't have your book at home, you can get a piece of paper and practice writing these words on the paper. Next, I can write my own sentence about an animal that I can see. I have a cat at home, so I'm going to write I see the cat on the next page. Ready? I see the cat. Cat has 3 sounds. K, a, t, period. Let's read what I wrote. I see the cat. Now it's your turn. You can write in the back of your book, or you can write on a piece of paper. I'm going to write a sentence on my whiteboard using the mystery words. Let's think of 2 other animals that we might see. Maybe we can see a zebra and a iguana. Let's write that together. I, finger space, see the zebra. Zebra starts with the Z sound. Z, E, B, R, A. And I'm going to use our sight word down here, our mystery word, iguana. I, G, one. Period. I see the zebra and iguana. Then I can draw a picture if I want to. Now you try. You can use the book, a book of animals, to write your own sentence about animals that you can see. You can look here and copy one of these sentences on your paper, or write your own sentence like I did. Thanks for learning with me. Bye, boys and girls.